Yeah, and that study actually found that those retirees with a guaranteed income spend about twice as much each year as opposed to those without a guaranteed income. So really what it's doing is it's suggesting that with that reliable income stream that one can count on, it really just provides more financial security, but also the psychological freedom for us to be able to spend without any constant fear or depletion of the assets. So a big value component that comes with having that piece there, that peace of mind. We've talked about the psychology behind this and the value it brings to us to be able to sleep at night.
Yeah, so real quick, I'd like to take a moment and read the abstract on this research, just to kind of highlight the points here. And basically, what happened was that they explored how the composition of retirement wealth is related to retirement spending, and found that retirees who hold a higher percentage in annuity income spend more than retirees with an equal amount of non-annuity wealth. So, in other words, having money in investments. This result is consistent with traditional economic theory that predicts risk adverse retirees who do not know how long they will live should spend less than retirees who hold an equal amount of annuitized wealth. And with behavioral framing preferences that may make retirees more comfortable spending from income than assets. Marginal estimates indicate that investment assets generate about half of the amount of additional spending as wealth held in guaranteed income sources, which means that retirees could spend substantially more each year in retirement if they shift investment assets into guaranteed income wealth. The size of the effect suggests that the explanation for underspending non-annuity savings is likely both a behavioral and rational response to longevity risk. A survey conducted to test behavioral preferences toward income found that 59.4% of respondents would feel more comfortable spending on non-essential activities if giving $10,000 of additional income rather than $140,000 of wealth in a lump sum. So it's an interesting article there. I will share it in the show notes so everybody can download a copy of it. But it's really interesting to see that people that actually have an option to receive, when asked in a form of a survey question, right? If they would if they would rather receive more income than a lump sum of money, the majority chose more guaranteed income. That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, and again, to the point that it mentions there, just the willingness or ability to spend more outside of the everyday expenses that we're required to put out. Um,
Yeah, 100%, man.